I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to the specific post that shows the map location. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Edit to reveal the caption and location fields. Once visible, tap the location label to edit it. This is where you remove or replace the tag. Make sure you're on the account that created the post, otherwise you can't edit. If it's a story or Reels, note the workflow differs. Continue to the next slide to handle those cases. Once in edit mode, tap the location area and either clear the text or press remove if that option appears. This deletes the map tag from the post. If you prefer to keep a tag but change it, type a new place name and choose a suggested result to replace the old one. After you finish, tap Done or the Save checkmark to commit changes. Instagram updates the post immediately, so refresh your profile to confirm the map is gone or changed. For stories, remove the location sticker before you publish. For highlights, open the highlight edit, then remove the story with the sticker. Reels sometimes allow location edits via the three-dot menu on the post. If not, you may need to delete and re-upload without a location. If the app won't let you edit, make sure you're on the latest version, log out and back in, or clear app cache. If problems persist, delete and repost as a last resort to fully remove the map tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.